Hi, this is Tom Blodgett from Jende Industries, and today we're going to do a repair on a Maestro G-2 utility knife.
Alright, so this G-2 Maestro has a nice little chip here on the tip. Looks like somebody tried to pry open a can or something. So the fix on this, because we have such a long, straight edge here, what we're going to do is we're not going to grind it all the way back to here. That would remove way too much metal. So what we're going to do is just come in and shorten the blade a little bit. So we're just going to be grinding down, trying to keep the same contour that we have right now, and just remove this amount through a reshape kind of thing. Just bring that down. Alright, so the after picture, and it's sharp.
If you like that video, please like and subscribe. I'll put the subscribe button down here. And the other videos that we've done in the Maestro series sharpening over here. And please come on back for our next videos.